Welcome to Supplement Guru, where science meets swagger, and your kitchen turns into a biochemical war room for peak human performance. This isn't your mainstream watered-down health advice. This is your new favorite series, Health Hacks. We're systematically dismantling mediocrity by unlocking the power hidden in your pantry. We're talking about everyday ingredients that can boost performance, sharpen your cognitive edge, and make your cells high-five each other with the force of a thunderclap. We're here to turn your body into a finely tuned machine, not a storage unit for inflammation and regret. Forget the fluff. Forget the fads. We deal in biochemical reality and tangible results. Let's get straight to the work. Apple cider vinegar, the sour sledgehammer of the wellness world. 2 tablespoons in a glass of water before meals is like giving your gut a tactical upgrade. We're talking about raw, unfiltered ACV that contains the mother, that cloudy strand of proteins, enzymes, and probiotic bacteria that signals a quality product. ACV's power comes from acetic acid. It works on multiple fronts. First, it slows gastric emptying, which blunts the blood sugar spike from your meal, and dramatically boosts satiety by promoting the release of the hormone GLP-1. You'll feel fuller, longer, and be far less likely to double fist chips at 9 p.m. A robust meta-analysis confirmed that ACV significantly reduces postprandial insulin and glucose levels. This is real science, not influencer fluff. Second, it can help increase stomach acid, HCl, production. In a world of chronic stress, many people suffer from low stomach acid, leading to poor protein digestion, nutrient deficiencies, and acid reflux. Proper HCl levels are your first line of defense against pathogens entering your gut. ACV helps kill off bad bacteria before they can throw a rave in your intestines. The critical warning: use a straw. The acidity that makes it so effective will erode tooth enamel faster than bad relationships ruin your optimism. Never drink it straight. Mix it with water and sip it slow. Want to level it up? Combine 2 tablespoons of ACV with water, a pinch of pink salt, and a squeeze of lemon juice. That's a gut-friendly, electrolyte-rich margarita without the morning-after regret. This is the Supplement Guru. We don't just give you recipes, we weaponize your pantry. This series is just the warm-up lap. We've laid the foundation with single-ingredient powerhouses. Next up, we get into the dark arts of stacking these hacks together for synergistic effects that create a state of high performance you didn't know was possible. We're talking about building protocols that turn your biology into an unfair advantage. Subscribe, activate notifications, and prepare to execute. Because your cells don't have time to unsubscribe from greatness, and neither do you. Supplement Guru out.